it is after 9 in the night now. I've been feeling contractions since yesterday, but they're not like strong or anything like that. And yeah, my sister told me yesterday to go to the hospital, which clearly I didn't. And I'm basically home alone right now. Just me and Amari. This is at work. And I just don't want anybody to freak out thinking that I'm going to have a baby and then the baby doesn't come. So I don't know. I'm trying to wait and see like if anything is gonna get worse or anything like that. But I don't know. So I guess this is baby watch. I don't know. But I just don't want to like make a trip to the hospital and then nothing happens, and then I have to come on back and I just feel like they're gonna laugh off of me. So I don't know. We'll see. And I keep telling them now, like I just spoke to my mother and I was like, Mommy, you're gonna call me tomorrow and the baby's still going to be inside me. And then whatever. So I just don't want there to be a false alarm. Because technically I've been feeling contractions since yesterday, which I can say like regular. Well, not irregular, they're irregular. Yeah, so they're not like super strong or anything. And I can't say like, oh, they're 20 minutes apart or whatever, because the timing is off. But yeah, so I don't know. Let's see what happens when I wake up in the morning, or what's going to happen tonight and all that. I know that if I tell Jason right now that I'm feeling contractions, he's going to want to come home and drag my house to the hospital, and I'm just really not into that right now. So I don't know. We're going to see what happens, guys. So I guess we're on baby watch. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Let's see what happens. Probably baby's making her way. Alright, so it's the next day. But I've been trying to like see if I can time them. So they're like 20 minutes apart. So I guess this is the latent phase of the month. But yeah. Yeah.
Thank you, Mommy.
Oh, what are you thanking me for?
I just thank you for kissing me. That's really right sometimes. Like, I like when you kiss me.
Okay.
So I don't know how to control myself with that.
Alright. So guys, this is the next morning. I think baby is coming today. It's like what time now? After 2. So just bathe again and see if I can get ready and wake up Jason and make him go to the hospital.